Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheel inspired by the iconic Back to the Future. These are like miniature time machine. So I have here the hover mode version. So let's unbox this and let's see how does it look in person. The hover mode version, with its red cable and the tinted glass windows, it captures the futuristic essence of the Delorean DMC-12. It's like I'm holding a piece of movie magic. And that attention to detail is marvelous. Right down to the engine is impressive, especially for a basic line model, which is 1:64. Now let's talk about Fusion mode versus hover mode. Fusion mode has a glossy body which screams speed, while the non-glassy finish on the hover mode whispers hoverboard. I think that's a cool combination. Let me know in the comments. And those mysterious wiring sites, they are like a secret circuit waiting to transport you 88 miles per hour. That's fascinating, right? But wait, there is more. The monster truck version, which comes with a detailed engine and a license plate, which shouts out like out of time. It's like the DeLorean met a monster truck rally and decided to join the party. So here's the comparison of the Fusion and the monster truck. I think these are great. It's a fantastic gift for the Back to the Future fans and the collectors. So let me know in the comment which one you own. So that's all for today. Share your thoughts, like, share and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.